Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are in Wem Car Show, and this is my first car show I ever been to. So let's find out. So far, a lot of people here, and yeah, find out. I'm not a very talky person. We hopefully find some citizen or some nice person to explain to us how long they've been doing this car show and how long, anyway, I should have shut up. Look. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh, nice bike. The sky is a little bit of a grey. Oh, there's a helicopter up there. Oh, let's find. Look at this beautiful bike. Yeah. Nice lorry, Volvo. They're quite old, isn't it? 13 plate. I don't know. Very, very clean. Let's look at the back of these lorries. Good morning. How are you?
Not too bad.
Very clean lorries indeed. Very nice. Thank you. Oh, look at that. That is very old, man. Wow.
Comes with 2 free dogs.
With the 2 dogs. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
All right, man. So far, so right, isn't it? Ice cream? Do you fancy some ice cream?
Yeah.
Later. Look at this.
And cement truck.
Ooh. Old tractors. I like tractors.
They haven't got many tractors.
Hey, look at these old tractors.
Alice Chalmers, eh?
How old is that? Look at this. Beautiful tractors. Here's the ancient one here. Oh, look at this. Yes, I'm coming around.
The rubber is about that big.
Oh. That's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah. This one's the same. Only I think this one's older. No, don't know. Looks the same.
All
Just
right.
been well painted, that one.
A lot of bikes up there.
Yeah, well that's nothing because that's a front drive. Yeah, yeah.
Very nice.
I wonder if Paul's here with his Toyotas. No, I know.
Look at this. Hi there. You alright?
That's very clean.
No idea properly. Sorry, my language. Fizzy. Oh. These bikes. Yeah, that's a. Very.
Hey, look at this one. Oh, that looks like an army bike.
Look at that scooter. Yes.
Tops battle.
Royal Enfield.
Aha.
Look.
Beauty.
Wooden bike.
Oh,
Good job, isn't
fabulous,
it?
yeah. 1960s. The wooden one. Made in Vietnam. Possibly sawdust in the end.
Made in Vietnam.
No, well, we'll have to come over.
1960s teak Vesta, made in Vietnam by Mr. Ho Chi Minh. Not running.
Are we there? Oh, we're getting there. We're nearly there. Nearly there.
Proper bike.
George.
Yeah, it's good that. I heard that this morning. No, I'm fine. That's good the way you put that together, George, isn't it?
It's lovely, isn't it? It's beautiful.
It's an old sort of, like an under 50, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dave, do you want to come and have a look if you want anything? Or...
I'm alright. I'm alright at the moment.
You've got Tony here on his scooter.
Where she's from Chelmsford and Crawley, but she went to
Proper army jeep. Look at that. With the machine guns on. Machine guns on. Wow.
Comes with gun.
With the gun. I wonder how much it is. Shall I buy it? Nice. Look at all these old guns.
Big sharp top that, isn't it? Still one. Just one front above the gun. Yeah. I bought a 410.
What are you saying, alright?
How's it going?
I'm alright, man. You?
Yeah, good to mate. I reckon it's going to be all 308. Really? It's that back. Yeah.
Oh, this beautiful car. Wow. Nice indeed. I like that Jeep. Wow. Lovely cars.
Jaguar.
Some of them are very expensive, isn't it? I wonder where's
Where's that Rolls Royce down this
up there. Look at this spaceman car. Look at this. Oh, I never. What's that called?
No idea, looks American.
Imagine
Mustang, maybe?
eat of petrol. Should we ride one of the tank?
Yeah, it's a Mustang.
Oh, look at this tank. Wow. Be fun, isn't it, to ride one of these?
That's sturdy.
Beautiful. Oh, just come on. Wonder how many years old it is.
War times.
Never had one.
Fiat.
Yeah.
Remarkable.
There's another
Only one,
Fiat.
please.
Look at that.
That's in good nick.
It's got 4 people can sit inside. Look. Tiny little
Bigger
one.
than the Mini.
It is, isn't it? Yeah.
It's cute.
Sorry. I wonder I haven't been hiding somewhere.
Oh, I haven't come to this.
It said it would be here,
Oh, yeah.
but I wonder where it is. I want to look at the James Bond Rolls Royce.
Yeah.
The gold, what do you call it? The golden eye or something.
Yeah. It's fabulous, isn't it?
Oh, look at that machine. Alpha.
Fancy Alpha.
Yes, nice looking one, isn't it? That is,
Proper, isn't it?
it is proper Rolls Royce.
1934.
1934, that's 80,
90.
90 years
Yeah,
old.
nearly 90, 88.
I'm sure.
Have a look in the
Yeah,
window.
I wonder, just look at this machine and going around. Very nice interior. Look at this. Can you see, guys? Wow. Show around. Look at that.
Hi William, hi George.
Look at this car. Wow. Nice, isn't it? MG.
GYV, yeah. Beautiful.
Air conditioning. No, we need the air conditioning.
Fantastic idea, that.
It's a very rare machine.
Proper machine, eh?
Yeah, I'm not surprised looking
It's
at
the number one off the. It's the number one off the production line.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Wow.
How long have you had?
I bought her in 2015. I started restoring in 2016. She went to the NEC as a barn find because I just started it, and they wanted barn finds for the NEC. So I emailed the girl. She said, I said, "Oh, I've just started restoration of the first YB. Do you want it in the show?" Emailed me back. I'm sending a trailer down. I was like, "Oh God." So I emailed her back. When? And 4 days to put the damn car back together again. Is it? Well, to
Was
look
it in
like a
bad
car.
condition or was
Oh
it?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was-
I love the colours.
That's the original colour.
Yeah,
It's
beautiful.
as it was now, basically.
Pretty much it's exactly how it was, I would think.
Yeah.
It is beautiful car.
But
So within a month, it was.
well, within 12 months it was.
That was made within a month of me being born.
And me. I was March.
I was 21st of December, 1950.
Wow, look at this engine.
But way ahead of the time when you think. Central jacking system, it'll actually jack itself up. It'll literally raise the car up off there. I'll show you. It's a sliding metal sunroof. And these were designed in 1939, but they didn't go into production until 1947 after the war.
After
And then they were upgraded. This is the first one of the YB, because they were the Y type, they called them originally. And then in 51, it was upgraded to a YB. So the mods, they changed, they put better front suspension on it. It's got the anti-roll bar, which is the forerunner to the MGB suspension now,
Right.
designed by Alec Isigonis.
That's
So
what Dad had, the MGB.
All right.
central jacking, sunroof, everything basically you could want. But the mods were, they put smaller wheels on, they put the 15-inch wheels off the TD, they put, say the modified front suspension, a better back axle, they put a high-powered back axle in it, and better brakes, they put the twin leading shoe braking system,
What ones that were.
the ones that work.
Nice. That was a good little,
Yeah.
you know, nice to explain it. It's like a wedding car, isn't it? Yeah.
You'll be looking for something more windy or won't you before long?
Stuck with the co-linear on the back, I'm afraid. So, but there we go. Back to you then.
Nobody talking?
Hello, you're fully recovered, Joe?
Hello, Chooks, you alright? Is the transmission machine, you know, checking the, attending all the microphone data. Porsche.
amazing that's still going. It's lost in Healy.
Well, at least it's not seized anymore.
Look at these.
Tony, how you doing, man? I do. Well, are you?
Tank, oh, come on.
Manufacturers withdrawn because they can't get hold of it.
Just have one of those.
Mm-hmm. Quite nice, isn't it?
Very nice, very nice. You get to see the good ones in the morning.
Couple Mini, Audi, here these. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, one video.
Over back, I suppose that doesn't mean anything. We'll probably get them off easily.
Line driver. Yeah.
You can tell by the doors are slightly wonky. You know that.
Mm-hmm.
And if you look at the Series 1,
Very nice indeed.
doors are slightly wonky.
It is very nice.
Sit in this if you want.
Thank you. I drove one once.
Did you?
Only just reached the pedals though. The old double to clutching was a bit hard.
Yeah.
Does it run well?
Yeah, sorry.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Did you have a long time?
2007 I rebuilt it.
Ah,
It looked like this in when I got it.
1954,
It
huh?
was in from a barn in
Oh, in a farm?
in Northampton.
Huh?
Oh,
Where you
Excellent.
oh, we live in Margaret Drayton.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Never mind, you'll get
No.
over
Well,
it.
yes, can't be helped, can
Oh,
it?
this is my first car show, you know. I was
Is
thinking, yeah, I've been one.
It's good.
Yes, I think, yeah.
You want a good show, go to the Shrewsbury Steam Rally. which
Oh,
is
yeah.
All right.
August Bank Holiday.
Oh, right, okay, we will. Yeah.
Definitely.
2-day show.
Yeah, I like it when they put the steam on.
It's really big.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing a little bit of a YouTube channel.
Oh,
So
We're
watch
trying
out,
to-
you'll be famous
Well, I will-
next.
my channel called Mr. RAFI.
okay.
So maybe you
Don't
can.
tell me I don't.
Don't worry. Chase. Yeah. Okay. Come here. You can explain to me. Come on, look. Should we go to the helicopter
No, the
ride?
little babies are sitting in the helicopter.
Shall we? No?
Cute, isn't it?
It is. Look at that. First time I'm close to the helicopter.
I've never been in one like that.
Wonder how much for a ride? Sorry. Look at this.
One's red.
Oh, I touched the helicopter. I touched one. I haven't crossed this bar. I never had it close that far. Can I get in? Look.
Normally, yes, please. If tell you what, they've got alternatives, sausage or egg. I'll take it. Sausage and egg. How much you got, mate? You guys want to climb on? You can climb on, you know.
For the little ones, you know.
Yeah, great fun.
No, for me. Why don't they let me in? Oh, I want to do helicopter ride. Order. I don't know what it's called.
Communication.
Communication.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
our Mr. Aaron's there. He must be hiding. Look here. Aaron's there. Good morning, sir. Can you explain to you?
How are you?
I'm fine, dude. You?
We've had questions.
Yeah. Can you
We've had
explain?
questions where the bonnet pull is. I do not.
Can you explain?
There's not a bonnet pull in this car.
How much weight is this car, sir?
I don't know.
So how many years old is it?
There isn't a bonnet pull in.
Well, you must be able to open the bonnet.
I've googled it and everything.
Oh, for God's sake.
Yeah?
Yeah. And Howard.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, I saw that on the way in.
RAFI beers over there.
Where?
Beers over there.
What about you?
Live band.
You can have some?
I'm driving rough bit. I got my sensors on.
No, you can have some.
Like that.
Yeah.
Cool.
This is your chair, posh boy.
Yeah. I can't believe you can't open the bonnet.
Don't keep going on, people.
I can't say the word, let alone do anything else.
Wow. How do you say? You alright?
Yeah, thanks.
Good, sir.
Going along there, and the last day,
Old minis. Oh, look at this. Proper mini.
No, me neither. Never have done. Never have done. Little go-kart. And that's fine. Did you? Well, I've got an MG and an MGT. There's something about the line of it.
Still got the camper.
You look at it.
This is a cool car. Look. Sorry.
No, sorry.
Pink one.
They're great, aren't they?
Yeah, I saw one in Brighton, BMW.
Oh, yeah.
BMW.
This one's a Trojan.
Yeah. Look at that proper Volvo. There are only no many Rolls Royce.
No.
Only a couple of Rolls.
Yeah.
One or two. But no, I saw two. That mini.
66.
It's no mini.
Yeah, it is. It's a Morris.
Oh.
Oh, so it's the same manufacturer. That was the Morris. They were pretty grand.
Poppy.
Nice engine there.
Right.
Yeah.
Seeing some wear and tear.
Yeah.
Classic car.
What did we find? Arden?
No, he's gone.
It's gone. He ran away.
I don't know.
He left the car and going for the sandwiches.
Probably for ice cream.
Yeah. I wonder where's the Tony's. I want to talk to Tony.
Who's Tony?
He's one of the mechanics. Look at that bed. You can sleep in there.
It's great. My friend Fred designed the wooden benches to go in there.
Yeah. Look, The world's fastest car.
Jane. Huh.
Oh,
Works up in Buenos Aires.
very nice. Ice cream, yeah. That's a cement van, isn't it? Very shiny.
Thank you. Doing the best.
Doing good job. You done it yourself?
Yes.
All polishing?
Yeah.
How long have you had this car?
10 years.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very powerful engine, eh?
Yeah.
How far have you been one of these to...
Well, she came from Venice. We found her in Venice
All right.
to start with. We take her all over the place. This is the Riley Club, the Riley Archives Club.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, from Coventry.
Very nice.
We live here. We joined it, and we're having a lot of fun with them.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, we do very much. Yeah.
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 I'm just come from Drayton, so it's...
Yes.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
It is.
It's a lovely day. As long as keep away from the heat.
Perfect, isn't it?
Yeah.
Talk to Lucy if you're interested in the car.
Oh, cheers. Oh, I see. Lovely car. Hi there. You're right.
I'm grand, how are you?
I'm good. I'm doing a little bit of YouTube videos.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, you'll be in my channel.
Oh, brilliant. Do you need any information on it?
How long have you been doing here?
The vehicles of interest? Oh, I've no idea.
Oh, right.
Good few years.
Okay.
Say at least 20 years.
So you've been coming a long time?
We've only just moved to the area 5 years ago, and but we've been to every VOI since we've been here.
Nice car.
Thank you. Yeah, she's going, hello.
Lovely day. It's a beautiful day.
It's perfect. Just that little bit of breeze is just nice. A little bit of cloud.
Yeah.
Making everything nice and easy now. Yeah, so I'm part of the Riley Cars Archive Heritage Trust, and we're all about the preservation and education of people about Riley cars.
Yeah.
We're based in Coventry. The trust is, I'm not.
Yeah.
And we are trying to raise funds for the Percy replica, which is that car there. And we've currently made the Percy replica, but we just need to get £30,000 for the engine.
Nice.
And we're trying to retro do it because Percy Riley invented it when he was 16 in 1896.
Wow.
And then got done for speeding in 1898 doing 14 miles an hour. He was quite a trailblazer. But he was an extremely intelligent man. But unfortunately there's no designs or anything, so we're having to go back into the archives and redo this engine to try and get the first Riley car done. And it's absolutely brilliant fun.
Wow.
Really is. Really good project.
So a little bit of a history there.
Yeah, it's a really old car company. They were originally a weaver.
All right.
They were originally
See
weavers.
these all,
Yeah, so we were donated these books. They've got nothing to do with Riley's. So we're trying to sell them to try and get some funds for the Riley replica.
Wow.
The Percy car.
Very nice.
Yeah, we've been very, very blessed with what people donate to us.
Fantastic. People listening to my YouTube channel, maybe they will come back here and...
Let's hope so.
Hope so.
Oh, if they wanted to donate £30,000
They will.
to the Riley Cars Archive Heritage Trust, that would be grand.
You guys listening? Hey, cheers. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.
So at 2:30 all the cars leave and do a little drive round.
Okay. Fish and chips.
No, thank you.
Smell nice. Serving breakfast so far, and this is going to be like a singing place, you know.
Yeah.
After the car show, we're coming to see the big match happening, Scotland and Birmingham. Which, look, teams are playing. Who's gonna winning?